Meaning of deformed.
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 Deformed. The term deformed refers to something that has been changed or distorted from its original state or form. This can be caused by various factors, such as injury, disease, or genetic abnormality. A deformed object or body part may appear asymmetrical, misshapen, or irregular in shape or size. In some cases, deformities may also affect the functionality of the affected area, leading to impaired movement or other physical limitations. Deformities may occur in both living and non-living objects, and their severity may range from mild to severe.